and welcome to Sycamore Close. This is Jason from Fine & Country in Bideford. This is a 5-bedroom, 3-reception room, 2-bathroom property in the heart of the village, moments from the beach. Now I'm standing in the main kitchen, which is a wonderful family space with an area for eating your breakfast. You've got all this work surfaces space. You've got an interconnecting utility room, which all circumvents around the main part of the home. And venturing upstairs, you are greeted by 5 fabulous bedrooms. The main bedroom is this master suite, which we are standing in now. It does have plenty of space for bed and furniture. You've got a walk-in wardrobe, which continues right into a lovely ensuite as well. So unusually, this home has 1/3 of an acre of land, which is mainly set up from this area to the front of the house. Now, with wraparound gardens, driveway and double garage, this area here could quite easily be turned into additional properties. So it is ripe for redevelopment, subject to planning. So if you are looking for an executive detached home, ideal for families, ideal for maybe a second home as well, being so close to the sea, it is literally across the way there, then give Fine & Country a call today on 01237 426 018. Thank you.